My dear friends, I want to invite you to my new mini course about this amazing, beautiful superfood cake. It's a blueberry vanilla cake, one of my signature cakes into my store. This is absolutely unique cake because we will be doing everything not like in traditional raw cakes. First of all, we will start sprouting buckwheat. Can you imagine that we will sprout buckwheat and we will use it into the crust, and the crust will be super light. Of course, it is nut-free, and you know that buckwheat is not a gluten grain, so it's a gluten-free cake, and it will be super light, easy for digestion and crunchy. So this is super light crust will be topped with a blueberry and macaque berry superfood layer, and then we will finish it with a vanilla layer. And this combination of sour, a little bit tart blueberry layer and sweet vanilla layer will create this refreshing, spring flavors, so summer refreshing cake, and light and delicious and creamy that you would love it, and your kids would love it very much. And by the way, I made this cake very often for first and second and third birthday of little kids, like a smash cake. It works beautifully. And of course I will show you how to decorate, how to use piping bags, and how to pipe using blueberry vanilla cream based on cashews. And I will show you everything into step-by-step instructions. You will have all details, videos with different camera angles, and even if you never made raw cakes or any other cakes before this mini course, you will make it. Also, you will be super impressed how easy and how fast to do it. The bonus lesson to this mini course comes with a buckwheat granola, and this is the perfect alternative to oats. It's still crunchy, delicious, no sugar added, and it will be perfect snack for you and your kids. So welcome to this amazing superfood mini course about blueberry vanilla cake that is absolutely bestseller into my store. Thank you.